Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 27, 1918. By living in the divine will, the soul finds everything in a divine and infinite way. I was lamenting to Jesus, for I could not even listen to Holy Mass. And Jesus told me,
"My daughter, am I not the one who forms the sacrifice? Now, since I am present in each sacrifice, the soul who lives with me and in my will remains as though sacrificed together with me, not in one Mass, but in all the Masses. And since she lives in my will, she remains consecrated with me in all the hosts. Never go out of my will, and I will let you reach wherever you want. Even more, between you and me there will be such electricity of communication that you will not do one act without me, and I will not do one act without you. So when you lack something, enter into my will, and you will find ready whatever you want, as many Masses as you want, as many communions, as much love as you want. Nothing is missing in my will. Not only this, but you will find things in a divine and infinite way.